Man, back up off me, Walter. Feel the double pause. And I absorb both of your little weak paws. I should snatch your paw pads off and sell them to the highest bidder. I got your pillowcase looking ass leaning back like Fat Joe out here.
Please subscribe. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch, and I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, March 7th, and in today's video, I have one play for you and one to put on stock. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged 0.53% on Friday, sitting at 33,614, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed down 1.66%, sitting at 13,313, the Nas. Apple closed down 1.84% on Friday. Apple is currently sitting at $163.17. One of the big winners on Friday, BCEL. The stock closed up 211% at 520. I tweeted this one out. Follow me on Twitter at @Duppyteeth for my stock alerts. BCEL opened at 168, spiked as high as 536. The volume on the day, 65 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their measly average volume of 300K. BCEL. Another big winner, INDO. INDO closed up 102% on Friday at $40.77. The stock opened up at $22 and never looked back. The high on the day, $49. The volume, 66 million shares exchanged hands. Their average volume is 6 million. INDO. Watch for continuation today. Dave's play today is SP play. In and out, to grab and go, one and move. HUSA is up 117% at 411 on no news. This one is in the oil and gas sector, based out of Houston, Texas. Okay, you already know, since the Russian invasion, all the oil pennies, not all, but most of them have been spiking exponentially. All right, the higher day thus far for HUSA, 575. If this retraced below 312, this might be a no-go today. HUSA has spikeability. For example, on July 1st, the stock went from $1.67 all the way to 312. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 13 million. Okay, they have 8 million in the float. 11% of the float are held by insiders. 6% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 4% of the float. They have 1.12 million in total revenues. Their revenue per share is 0.13. This is HUSA. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 130% year over year. Let me repeat that. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 130% year over year. They have 148K in gross profit. They have 5 million in total cash and a low debt of 283K. Their current ratio is a whopping 45.50. Let me repeat that. Their current ratio is 45.50. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. Okay? Their book value per share is 1.06 HUSA. Please put in stock today. IO is up 100% at 160 after closing up 49% on Friday at 80 cents. This one is in the oil and gas equipment space, based out of Houston again. Okay, same thing as HUSA. They have 22 million in the float. 15% of the float are shorts. IO, put a stock on that one for today. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @DuppyTeeth for my stock alerts. In the meantime, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Trade well. I'll see you on the next one. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. I'm out. See you next time. MXC. The stock closed up 84% on Friday, sitting at $24.94. The stock opened up at $14.06, spiked as high as $26.55. That's their new 52-week high, MXC. There's no news that came out, but they had good earnings on February 8th, but the stock did nothing. Okay, this one is just because of the Russian invasion. You know, the oil sector is hotter than hell right now. The volume on Friday, a whopping 7.3 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their measly volume of 30K. MXC. Watch for a retracement towards $18. So between the low 20s and the upper teens, that's your buy point. Let's see if it could touch that range this week. Okay, this one has spikeability. For example, on or about October 4th, the stock went from $10.06 all the way to $18. $10.06 all the way to $18. MXC. This one is making new 5-year highs. Okay, let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 27 million. They have a teeny tiny float of 922K. Let me say that again. They have a low float of 922K. 56% of the float are held by insiders. 5% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 2% of the float. This is MXC. Their profit margin is a positive 41%. Okay? Their operating margin is a positive 42%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 13%. This is money they're making on their money. 13% ROA. And their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 24%. Okay? They have $6 million in total revenues. Their revenue per share is 2.63. This is MXC. Stock I want you to put on stock for a buying opportunity this week.
I'm gonna try to take pictures. Yeah, delete that stuff out.
That's it for the today. I'll see you in this afternoon, all right? First one is our next first.
T-Mobile.
Dave Natch, I Speak Stocks. Today is Tuesday, September the 29th.
Yeah, Dave, yeah. Put in a Walmart, stream it.
Got a lot of money invested in a Dave play. Every day. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going on. But you know, I find myself with that money. And instead, I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Want to do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.